Hi, Alyssa. Can you show Mommy how you crawl? Come here. Show me how you crawl. Good girl. Come here. Show Mama how you crawl. Yay! You crawled. Oh, was that tiring? Was that Dad using some tools outside? Okay, show me how you can crawl back to Mama. That's the camera. Oh. Okay, ready? We're going to crawl back now. This way. Come on. Come on. Crawl back to Mama. Good girl. Yay! Alyssa. Alyssa. Good job. Good job, Munchkin. Good girl. Oh.